I see you trying to take it on camera.
Go, Dad. Boo, party pooper. Come on, Dad, play with Maya just like you were a second ago.
Not on video.
Come on. Okay. I turned it off.
I'm sure you did. I can see the red light up.
What red light?
It's a red light right there.
No,
you don't see
no.
it? Yeah, for real, honey. I can tell that you're recording right now.
No, I turned it off, seriously.
Come on. The ice cream truck, Maya. What's the ice cream in the belly? Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Why do you think that's what... I'm frozen in place, Mike. I'm frozen, I can't move. I got hit by a heat wave. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Me and my little plane.
That's actually like really creepy. Oh my gosh.
Next stop. Nashville, Tennessee. Want to get out? Come on here, darling. Come on. Come on, Dad. You want to board your plane? Okay, come on. Shut up here. Ready? Ready? Take off. Shh. Buckle up.